everyone, welcome back to my channel. How y'all doing? I'm back again with an exciting haul video. So I'm gonna quickly show you what I got from London. So it's kind of like a quick London haul. I went to London on 14th February for Valentine's Day. If you have watched my Valentine video, that's nice, and if you haven't, then make sure you check it out. And yeah, I've been wanting to do this haul for really long, but I was so sick. I'm still sick, but you know, I'm healing. So yeah, I still have got ear pain because my throat pain is radiating to my ears and it's hurting really bad. But I just want to finish this off because these bags were sitting here for like weeks, and I really want to finish it off by, you know, doing a haul, and then I can just, you know, put them in the cupboards and all. So let's begin with the haul. So I went to Primark in London. I don't know, I wouldn't want to say my day wasn't good, but it was good at the end of the day. I like to go London by myself, to be honest. I like shopping so much. I want to spend my time shopping like peacefully. And yeah, anyways, let's begin with the video. Okay, so the first thing I want to show you is this beautiful skirt. I love it. Amazing, right? The best thing about about Primark is like they give away the hangers. Usually they give away some idiotic cashiers. They just take it off the hangers, but usually they give it away. But yeah, this skirt I really like it, but this is not my size. It's way, I mean, as you can see, it's like way bigger than my waist, but I still want it because I couldn't get my size, and I really like this skirt. So what I'm gonna do is like, I'm gonna like, you know, fix it. Yeah, maybe. Let's see how am I gonna fix it. But I love this skirt. It's so girly. I love girly, cute skirts like this. I'm obsessed with skirts, and I love clothes. And the price was £14. Kind of too expensive for that, but yeah. And the next thing, look at this. I've got a sweater kind of a top which has this print, and this top, look at this, is so gorgeous. If you have watched my Shein haul, I did buy a top like this, like white top which almost looks like this, but I just bought this one because of this. Can you see this pink bows? Oh, I love it. Like, amazing, so pretty. I really like clothes like this. I really need to buy like some innerwears, like not innerwears, like thermals. Yeah, thermals for winter, like tank tops and all of that. I really want some of those. I need to go to Primark and get them because you can wear those things inside this type of tops and keep yourself warm. Because when I was in like Delhi, I don't care, I just wear it like this because it's really hot and you don't want to overload yourself with so many clothes. But here, layer it on. The more the layers are, the cozier you feel because it's so damn cold here. So yeah, I love it. The next thing I got is this. I mean, oh, I forgot to tell you the price of this one. I think the top was £13 and nothing was on discount. Look at this. I tried this. Look at it. I'm gonna try all the clothes, by the way, but yeah, look at this. It's so cute. It's like oversized sweater. It's extra small, by the way, and it's £18. Expensive, I know, but then it looks so classy. I love stylish clothes, and they should be stylish and classy at the same time, and I love it. I love the bows, you see. So as I mentioned, I need to buy like tank tops and things like that to wear inside such things. I really want something because, you know, I want to layer it up. Okay, did I break anything? Oh my goodness, my laptop. I hope I didn't break it. I'm not treating well. Oh, I'm not treating well my laptop. Next thing is this amazing sweater. Okay, there's like you know, trend or something. I don't know how to say it, but every every month or maybe every couple of months, I don't know how often, Primark comes up with the new print and they launch it in every style. So the blue stuff in Primark, it was in like this blue, like blue color in London in Primark. So they launched a lot of clothes which are like blue and which would match each other. Like they have, like, for example, like they launched this skirt and they have like 5 different type of tops which would match this skirt. The first one is this one, the second one is this one, and the third one I didn't buy. And there were more mixed with red and blue, you know, there were more and more tops which would go with that skirt. I really wanted to buy them all, but I don't think I should. That would be like so much. But yeah, I really like this one as well. I'm gonna wear this and that skirt if I'm gonna go to some study class, so it's gonna look perfect for study class. I love it, I love it so much. Look at it, amazing, right? Oh, nothing makes me happy than shopping. It's so pretty. I don't know why the hell they didn't give the hanger, but yeah, I don't even know the price of this. Yeah, it didn't have the tag. I think it was like 14-15 pounds, I don't remember, but yeah, that's that. So that's it for the one bag. I've got one more bag. So then I went to TK Maxx. No, not TK Maxx. There's one more thing which I got from Primark. Hello Kitty. I love it. I wanna really go to London Primark again to buy these. I wanna buy like three more of these because it's Hello Kitty and it's pink. Oh, I'm gonna put, I don't know what I'm gonna put in this. I have no idea. Maybe jewelry, I think. I don't know. Look at this. Oh, I can't even find this in like Shein. Like, it's perfect. I love it, and it also opens like this. Look at that. I want more of this. No, I don't want the exact one. I want like the flatter one so I can stack all of these on top of each other. But I love it. Look at that. I'm gonna definitely put like jewelry in here, like my regular earrings or maybe bracelets. In here I might put like, I don't know. But yeah, I've been waiting to bring this out. I love it. So cute, right? Very girly. So I need to arrange my makeup table. I'm gonna do that today. And then I went to TK Maxx in London. Oh, I could not shop because we had no time. I really want to go to London's TK Maxx again and shop to my heart's content because I couldn't shop in there. I didn't like much. I just was quickly like going through things, but I want to check every single thing. And I want to buy more clothes. There was like two of these dresses, pink and then green. And then I decided to go with the green because pink looked really, I don't know, it didn't look nice. It didn't look nice on me, so I went with the green. Look at that. So cute. It's back, I guess. Yeah, that's back. So cute, right? I love it. Amazing. So pretty. Look at that. I am in love with this. Like, in love. How much did I pay for this? Only £17. It's so amazing. I want to buy more of this dress. I love being girly. I love girly clothes. And this is something which is gonna make me so happy when I wear it. But I really wish I could wear it on its own. But it's so cold. I need to wear like jacket or something. Then, okay, the last item which I bought from TK Maxx was this jacket. And I got this from, I didn't buy this from London. Yeah, I bought this from where I live, which I don't want to really reveal at the moment. So yeah, it is also from TK Maxx. TK Maxx is all over the England, so yeah, look at it. I want to visit every TK Maxx in England, to be honest. I want to go to TK Maxx in Manchester. I want to shop from everywhere. I love shopping. Nothing makes me more happy than shopping. You guys, nothing. Well, this is how it looks like. So cute. Let me try this. It's so comfy. I mean, it's like all fur inside, so I like it. But it's kind of like I don't know, it's kind of stiff material, like it's faux leather, but it's leather, but then it is kind of stiff. I love it. So cute, right? Let me show you how it looks like with a handbag. Another handbag which looked exactly like this, but then that had like a white fur. I really wanted that, but I couldn't find that, so I got this one. So when you see a beautiful item and if you think you like it, get it. Like, get it, because you might lose it. But yeah, this is how I'm gonna go out to, I don't know where. I'm gonna go. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.